Hey guys, welcome to day 4 and the most happening day of this series. So it's right now it's 7 a.m. and look at the view from our hotel room. Wow, just wow. This is all the view, and we have done breakfast, we got ready, and now we are heading to Betaab Valley, and then I'll show you there. Yes, we have reached Betaab Valley, and this is the entrance and the parking of the valley. And it was a rainy day, so the umbrellas were there on. You can take them on booking. And this is where you enter in the valley. Wow! Look at the view from the Betaab Valley. Actually, it is after the name of the movie Betaab, so it got the name of Betaab Valley. And this is the whole Betaab Valley from above the mountains, and we are going to the next valley. So this is the next valley, and actually it is the place from where the Amarnath Yatra starts, and we are going back to the hotel now. It's almost 12 o'clock, and we'll be reaching the hotel in few minutes from here because it was so close. It was like of a 10 to 15 minutes from our hotel to this place. Yes, so I got changed and we are leaving from this hotel now. Actually, we are going to the famous restaurant here, Poonam Dhaba or something like that, and I'll show you guys the more of it. ऐसा कर सकती हो? जनवरी दिसंबर में इतना ज़्यादा। Okay, so this is the famous Poonam Restaurant, and it is famous in the Pahalgam market actually, and the lassi, the kesar doodh is so good over here. Okay, so we took stop over here, and this is the bat factory. Actually, Kashmir has the biggest production of bats from all over the India, and you can see that this is all are drying right now. Then it'll be cutted into bat, and so many of the bats are here. Just look at it, like everywhere. It's just drying up right now, and you're gonna be seeing the longest bat over here. See that longest bat, how long is it? It is about the height of a person.
1 hour later.
Yes, so we have almost reached to the houseboat in Srinagar, and we are about to be there. Our boat name was Mona Lisa, and you can see the detailed video of boat tour in our previous videos. I'll link that in the description box. Now we are fresh and we are going for a Shikara ride, and basically the Dal market, which is the floating market also you can call that. The Shikara you have to take from right from your boat to the where you need to go, and they'll drop you again on the boat. Just look at it, the view, the sunset, the boat, everything. These are the houseboats and everything was there. This is the floating market. They'll come to you near your boat and sell everything, basically hookah, wooden items, eating items, everything was there. And there was a park here. From the boat you need to come over here, you can click pictures, and this was a very beautiful park here. It was so nice.
और आप लोग देख सकते हैं अभी हम लोग मेहरू गार्डन में हैं, और ये देखिए हम लोग अभी बोट पे आए हैं। मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि हम लोग किस बोट से आए हैं। ये देख सकते हैं आप, ये तो स्पीड बोट है, यहाँ पे ये बंद है। हम लोग इधर से ऐसे में आए हैं। आपको बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है, और क्या बताऊँ। और मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद, बाय बाय।
After the park, we are going ahead to the main market. That was main Dal Lake market and the floating market. You can see this is all are the floating market, and look at the clothes shops and everything is here from years, since years. These markets are set up here from more than 30 to 40 years at this point. And just look at this, every kind of a shop is here, like from the general store to the medical store to the clothing shop to the wooden shop. Every shop was there, and we have headed into one shop to just look at the collection. And you can see every kind of things are here. And it's about 7 or 8 p.m. and we are right now in the Shikara. Just look at it in the dark, how good it looks like. And we are almost reaching our houseboat now, because we have done all the sightseeing from the Shikara, and we would be reaching there within minutes. We hired 2 Shikaras, like one can have 4 to 5 people max. And we are back from the Shikara, and now we'll have the dinner. But before that, we got to see this तंदूरी वाला, एंड वी हैड सम फिश एंड चिकन तंदूरी. शिकारा के बाद हम लोग आ गए वापस अपने हाउस बोट में, और अब जाएंगे डिनर के लिए. बहुत गजब का एक्सपीरियंस था, गजब, मज़ा आ गई. अरे आप यहाँ हैं? Okay, so the dinner was served properly in the dining room, and look at this, how traditional was it. It was so good. Just look at the vessels. There was rice, आलू टमाटर and मटर की सब्जी, दाल तड़के वाली दाल, and chicken. It was so good, and look at the plates and the vessels, and it was so aesthetic and so traditional. It was so nice, and this was my dinner that I had. It was so tasty, and it was homemade, made by the owner's sister. Then we had some playing cards, and then we end for the day. Thank you so much for watching.